All right, so while we're here, we're going to the RC car show deal. And my brother's been trying to sort out an issue he's having with Clodbuster. So him and the nephew Matthew both have these Clodbusters. And they were having an issue where the little plastic nubs that are on the inside of the Clodbuster wheel, there's supposed to be 5 little plastic nubs here, are supposed to lock into 5 little holes in this. This is like the wheel adapter. So a lot of your RC trucks just have like a hex nut thing here. The Clodbuster utilizes not only that hex nut, but then it has this other section of adapter piece. So you can kind of see the light through there. Those holes went onto some nubs. Well, if you forward and reverse slam it a couple of times, it rips the nubs off the inside of the wheels. And aftermarket wheels are real expensive. So he's trying to come up with a solution. And so the trip to the hardware store, what I came up with was these little 8/32 screws, little, Allen head cap screws, and nylock nuts and washers. And what I did was lined this up on the back of the wheel where it belongs and drilled through the wheel and installed those all the way through, therefore nut and bolting that adapter piece to the Clodbuster wheel. That should be super strong and hopefully hold up to the abuse that these boys put them through. However, I just realized we only bought enough to fix one of the trucks, so we'll see how this goes. We'll fix one for now and see how it goes, and that'll leave Chris a project for the future to fix the other one. But yeah, he had bought all kinds of gears and stuff thinking he had a gearing problem, but come to find out the wheel was just spinning inside of itself. All right, so on to the next one. So I'll show you right from the beginning, but again, the adapter, hex adapter, stock wheel. You see the nubs there. So drilling those nubs out with the 5/32 drill bit. And I'm using the 5/32 drill bit with the number 8 screw, because that allows me to thread the number 8 screw into the wheel, which is giving it a little bit of bite, enough to hold it from falling out, so that I can put the nut on the other side, not have to worry about holding both sides at one time. So it's working out really well. So, and then we bought the little nylock style nut. And so yeah, all in all, it's working out pretty good. So we're just gonna do the last 2. We got 2 of them done, 2 to go. And like that, we got another one. So I'm pretty sure that this operation is not gonna strip out on him like those chintzy little plastic nubs did. Let's get this thing together and have some fun.